I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready. Begin on the phone that currently has your Pokémon GO account. First, confirm which login you use, Google, Apple, or Pokémon Trainer Club, because that's the key to access. Once done, open Settings in Pokémon GO and verify your account email or username. Make sure the device has a stable internet connection and automatic time. Do this now so the destination phone can authenticate quickly. This avoids account lockouts and speeds the transfer process. On the new phone, install Pokémon GO and launch it. Sign in with the exact same provider and account you confirmed earlier. Consistency matters because accounts are linked to those credentials. When you sign in, expect a security challenge such as two-factor authentication or an emailed verification code. Complete that step to let Niantic match your profile. If you get a warning about an existing device, proceed. You're reauthorizing this new device to access your existing account. Finish by opening Pokémon GO on the new phone and confirming that your avatar, Pokémon, items, and friends list appear. If everything matches, you're done. Sign out of the old device if you won't use it anymore. If you encounter errors or account-in-use messages, sign out from the original phone, reset your password if necessary, and retry authentication. If issues persist, contact Niantic support with your trainer name and login provider. They can restore access after verifying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.